Okay, so let's say there are 240 accidents on average per year at 264th Street and Highway 1 in Langley. And this is actually the number quoted by ICBC last year. Okay, now let's assume for now that the number of accidents is similar week over week and that the number of accidents follows a poisson distribution. Question: what is the probability there are 10 accidents in any given week at this intersection? Okay, so old time was at 1 year. We have 240 accidents per year. So my old time frame is 1 year, and there are 240 accidents in that year. Now, because the question itself has a different time frame of 1 week, I need to convert to the 1 week. And so instead of writing my old time as 1 year, I'm going to write it as 52 weeks, because 52 weeks is the same as 1 year. Or if you will, there are 52 weeks in the year. Okay, and so I need to get my new average. To do that, I take my old one, I times by the new time, and I divide by the old time. Beautiful. So if there are 240 accidents per year, there's approximately 4.6154 accidents per week at this intersection. And again, I need to match the time frame in the question itself, always. So if my time frame for my average is different, in this case it's a year, then I must convert this average to the time frame that matches the question, which is 1 week. So again, there are 4.6154 accidents per week. And I want the probability that there are exactly 10 accidents in any given week. So I put X at 10. Again, whatever I'm looking to calculate the probability on, that gives me my X. Beautiful. So now, because this is a Poisson distribution, or because these number of accidents follow a Poisson distribution, use a poisson.dist. X is 10. My average or mean here, 4.61. Cumulative equal to false, because I want the probability of exactly 10 accidents. And that gives me 0.0120, or roughly a 1.2% chance that there will be 10 accidents in any given week at this intersection. Okay, thanks for watching.